If you feel like you're stuck in your IT role and not progressing, you're underpaid, and maybe you're stuck on helpless, doing the same thing over and over again, you don't know what to do next, and you're looking for a way out, this video is for you. I have worked with hundreds of IT professionals and I've helped them get into the cybersecurity industry as quickly as possible. And every time I talk to them after they move into cyber, here are the 5 biggest regrets that almost every one of them mentioned. Also, I used to be a help desk and network engineer as well, so I know everything about regrets in IT careers, alright? So make sure to watch this video till the end and learn from our mistakes, because I don't want you stuck in the same job doing the same thing over and over again for the next 5 years. Number 1, I underestimated my own value. This one's massive, guys. I see it all the time. IT professionals with imposter syndrome. I had the same problem as well. I used to think I'm not good enough. My English is bad. I'm not a native English speaker. I don't have a degree. What's the point of trying even? I told myself, let me just do my job and stay safe. If I want to move into cyber, I need a CCIE, I need a CISSP, I need more skills, more experience, more everything. Let me tell you something. You'll never be perfect. That perfect moment you're looking for, you're waiting for, it's never coming. This whole chase for perfection, this ideal world in your head is the reason your career isn't moving. Most of the time, the thing holding you back isn't your skill set. It's your mindset. Maybe something happened in the past to you. Maybe someone told you you weren't good enough. But that voice in your head that says, don't try, you're not ready, that voice is a liar. You are enough. You've already got the experience, man. You've solved problems. You've handled people, tickets, complex issues. And yet, someone else in your team who knows way less than you is getting paid more, getting promoted, getting the respect that you're looking for. You've seen it. So ask yourself, why are they moving forward while you're still stuck? So no, you're not perfect, but well, who cares? Be okay with that. Keep learning, keep building, show up, apply for that job, ask for the raise, DM that manager on LinkedIn, get out of your shell. Because fortune doesn't favor the perfect. It favors the bold. Number 2, I waited too long. This one's connected to the first one, guys. Because when you're chasing perfection, what happens? You keep waiting. You wait for the right time, the right course, the right certifications, the right moment. And guess what happens? You blink and it's been a year, 2 years, 3 years, and you're still in the same job, same company, same routine, still underpaid, still unseen. You thought, my manager will promote me soon. Things will get better on their own. No, they won't. No one is going to save you, man. All that time, you could have been building something real, something better, something that moves you forward. You could have got the skill set for cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is growing fast, and you're still hoping that the system saves you. Your manager is going to promote you for that role. IT moves fast. New tech, AI, automation, offshoring. If you don't move quickly, you get left behind. You've seen the tech change. You know it's happening. Because you've been waiting, putting it off, you're now in a loop. Watching, hesitating, doing nothing. I remember this guy who told me I should have done this 3 years ago. I just didn't know where to start. Don't be that guy. Make a change, okay? Otherwise, no one is going to save you. Number 3 is waiting until it's too late. In 2024, I told a guy, my friend, man, get out of help desk now before it's too late. Guess what? He didn't listen. A year later, the company offshored every single IT support role. And he came back to me in full panic. Sohail, I wish I listened. I didn't think it would happen this fast, blah, blah, blah. Too late. He had bills to pay, a family to support, and now he had to drive Uber just to survive. It breaks my heart. But it happens all the time. I've seen it hundreds of times. The best time to change isn't when you're in survival mode. It's before that, when you still have the money, energy, time. That's when you learn and you go fast. That's when you invest in yourself, not when the walls are already closing in. So, don't just sit there watching Netflix and hoping things change. Don't wait until regret makes the decision for you. And number 4 is not asking for help. Guys, this one is deep because it's a personal story about myself. I was a broke musician. I didn't know anything about IT, but I knew I wanted more. I was hungry for more and I needed more money. And I had this mentor who helped me get my first IT job. That conversation that I had with that person changed everything for me. From there, I landed my first help desk role, became a network engineer, got another mentor who pushed me into cybersecurity. That changed my life. It took me to Australia, got me working on high level projects. The whole thing helped me build my own company in Australia. That one conversation changed the trajectory of my life, of my bloodline, my legacy. But too many of you are trying to do it yourself alone. You sit on YouTube, binging videos, trying to figure out things by yourself. You don't have to do it. I asked for help because I didn't know how to do it. You don't have to do it either. You're not supposed to actually. Even the greats had mentors. Alexander the Great had mentors. Why not you? If you cannot get a mentor, pay for it. I've spent thousands on coaching, courses, mentorship programs, things like that, because I know guidance will save me years of trial and error. One mentor, one message, one decision. That's all it takes. Surround yourself with people you want to become. If you hang around broke people or people with broken mindsets, you'll absorb their energy. But if you walk into a room where everyone is 10 steps ahead of you, you'll rise to meet them. If you're living in a city or a location that doesn't improve your professional growth, things like that, leave, move. That's how growth works, guys. Which leads to number 5, staying around the wrong people. Everyone around you has already given up. Guess what? You will give up too. If your friends are bitter, stuck, and negative, always blaming someone or something else, that becomes your mindset as well. But if your circle is made up of people who are leveling up, getting results, doing the hard work, then you'll start leveling up too, automatically. Your environment will either grow you or trap you. If you feel stuck, maybe you're just in the wrong room. So guys, I hope this video was informative to you. If you like, make sure to subscribe to my channel and share it with someone else who needs to hear this stuff, alright? See you in the next video.